Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make strawberry tea outdoors, using only the sun. Strawberries originate from the wild strawberry, which is native to Eurasia and North America. Humans have been eating strawberries since the Stone Age. They have been cultivated since the 16th century, and over time we have created bigger, sweeter, and more colorful varieties. Homegrown strawberries are very nutritious and contain lots of vitamin C, potassium, and calcium. Strawberries are believed to help with fevers, infections, fainting, and depression. They are full of antioxidants and can help the liver as well as help alleviate digestive problems. Homemade strawberry tea can also be chilled and served with ice cubes that have strawberries frozen inside, for a refreshing drink on a hot day. Strawberry tea has a beautiful pale pink color. On a really hot day, you can make strawberry sun tea. Put the fresh fruit and leaves into a mason jar or a jug and fill with cold water. Increase the quantity of fruit and leaves according to the size of your container. You can use 6 strawberries, 2 leaves, and about 1 quart of water. Cover the jar or jug with a lid to stop insects from flying in. Place outside in direct sunlight for about 5 hours, depending on the sun's intensity. The warmth of the sun will bring out the flavor of the fruit. Strain through a fine mesh sieve into a jug and refrigerate until chilled. Serve with ice cubes that have strawberries frozen inside and a few strawberry flowers sprinkled on top. This is an impressive and refreshing summer tea. If it is not warm enough where you live, you can steep this tea as you would normally indoors. However, you need to make sure that the temperature of the boiling water is between 176 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the tea to steep for 3 minutes. You can also make strawberry tea blends. Blend strawberry with hyssop for an antioxidant boosting tea. Put 2 or 3 slices of strawberry, a small pinch of strawberry leaves, and a pinch of hyssop leaves into a tea bag or teapot and steep as before. Strawberries and mint have always been great partners. Prepare as before, adding a sprig of fresh mint leaves to the cup of strawberry tea. You can leave the mint leaves in the cup as you drink. Drink well and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.